Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Audi A3 hybrid. First, locate the charging port, usually on the driver's side rear fender. Next, identify the correct charging cable. Your car likely came with one. Before plugging in, ensure your power source, whether a wall outlet or charging station, is safe and compatible for electric vehicle charging. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient charging experience. Now let's connect the charger. Gently open the charging port cover on your Audi A3 hybrid. Take your charging cable and firmly insert it into the vehicle's charging port. You should hear a distinct click, which confirms the cable is securely locked in place. This secure connection is crucial for safe and effective power transfer to your car's battery. Once connected, it's easy to monitor your charging progress. Look for indicator lights around the charging port. These often show the current status. You can also check your Audi's dashboard display or a connected mobile app for real-time updates on the battery level. When charging is complete, the lights will change, and you can safely disconnect the cable. To keep your Audi A3 hybrid running optimally, follow a few best practices. Charge your vehicle regularly, ideally whenever convenient, rather than waiting for a completely empty battery. This helps maintain battery health over time. Always use the charging cable provided with your car or a certified replacement to ensure safety and compatibility. Proper charging extends your hybrid's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.